Hi guys, my dear student, how are you? I hope you will be fine at home. Today we will discuss about some adverbs in English grammar. That's adverb means the action to be done at the place and frequency or manner and degree of adjective that refers about in different ways. So then we will discuss in this topic adverb in detail. Adverbs provide information about the manner, place, time, frequency or degree of action denoted by the verb, an adjective or another adverb. एडवर्ब्स बेटा क्या होती हैं? ये हमें इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कराती हैं अबाउट द मैनर. मैनर मीन्स जो एक्शन कर रहे हैं, जो वर्ब हमारी प्रेजेंटली हो रही है, रिलेटेड टू द आंसर एंड द क्वेश्चंस. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. प्लेस मीन्स किस जगह से रिलेटेड है. फाइन. टाइम, किस टाइम पर एक्शन कंप्लीट हो रहा है. Frequency, degree of adjectives. It is reflected both frequency and degree of action denoted by an adjective. Fine. ये किसी क्वालिटी को भी रेफर्स कर सकता है एडवर्ब के लिए. Now, the function of an adverb is determined by the question it answer. ये जो एडवर्ब है ये दोनों फंक्शंस पर डिपेंडेंट है. First question and with answers. Fine. Adverbs are placed in a particular position according to their function in a sentence. Adverb को क्या रखा गया है? जो भी फंक्शन एडवर्ब के सेंटेंस में किए जाते हैं. ठीक है बेटा, जो भी सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब किए जाते हैं, सिलेक्ट किए जाते हैं, उनकी पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है एडवर्ब. ओके. एन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर टेल्स हाउ समथिंग इज डन और हैपन्स. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हमको क्या बताता है कि जो कुछ भी है समथिंग वो कैसे कंप्लीट होना है. फाइन. वी यूज इट बिफोर और एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर या तो सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में यूज़ किया जाता है एंड वी यूज एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. How many type of adverbs? Adverbs can be categorized by 3 types. You can see in the picture that adverb of 3 types: adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Fine. Now, first example, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner may you can see in the picture. Take example. John drives carefully. Then in manner, how John's drive. So then whenever we will discuss about the question upon how, so then answer we will received by John drives carefully. In answer we can get carefully. That carefully is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner means, fine, it indicates manner, that is carefully. Adverb of time. Adverb of time indicates the timing of the action. किस तरह से दिखाता है ये एक्शन को टाइमिंग में? The result were announced yesterday. The result कब अनाउंस होना है? That is yesterday. Then yesterday is a time which refers to adverb of time. Adverb of place. Adverb of place you can see in example, in spring flowers bloom everywhere. In Whenever we can recognize the adverb of the place, that we can discriminate the questions about the place, and answer we will get everywhere. In sentence you can see also. Fine, this is called adverb of place. Now we can take more examples, like the children played happily with their toys. Now, in what, how children played with their toys, that is happily. That in case of that, happily is adverb of manner. Now next, the teacher will give a test on tomorrow. That tomorrow, when will the teacher give a test? That is that on tomorrow. Fine, then tomorrow is an adverb of time. Next, adverb of place. They will meet us near the park. Where? Then we can get the answer from by asking the questions. That is where. Where will they meet us? That near the park. And in sentence, near is an adverb of place. That's some example adverb of manner again. The alarm rang loudly. Harry ran quickly. So then we can describe this sentence by asking the question how. Now, adverb of place. That means we can ask from the question by giving the question word, that is where. From where we can get the answer in receiving. Fine, as put the cake there and I looked everything for my book. Where I have searched the book, that is everywhere. Fine. Next, when, adverb of time. It indicates the timing of the action. That is, Kriti went to gym when did Kriti go to gym? That is today. Fine. Then today is an adverb of time. They go out to dinner weekly. कब करते हैं वो dinner? That is weekly. So then weekly denotes the time of adverb. Now, how often? Often means adverb can be categorized by the frequency, and it is dependent upon the adjective also. Like sometimes he play cricket. That sometimes is an adverb of frequency. Ritesh never smokes. So then never refers to the verb, that is smoke. So then never is an adverb of frequency. Now adverbs can be dependent on the adjective also. Fine. How? That is, he is very happy today. Then adjective is happy. So then happy means happy refers to very in the sentences by he, by the subject. Sia wore brightly colored dress in party. So that means Sia wore which type of color? That means brightly. Then you can say adverb also connected with the adjective. Fine. Now we can discuss about the adverb describing and another adverbs, जो another adverb पे भी dependent होते हैं और उनको describe भी करते हैं. Fine. How? That is possible because the dancer moves so gracefully. The dancer moves gracefully is also a adjective. Fine. And it described by so. Then so is an adverb. Okay, children. Now, next sentence. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. The solved the problem by the scientist is easily, but easily is an adjective and easily described by quite. so that quite is an adverb. Now let's revise the adverb again. Firstly, we have discussed about what is adverb. An adverb modify means change. Modify that is dependent into three ways: by verb, by adjectives, and by another adverbs. Fine. Next, in how many steps adverb can be defined or worked? Fine. So then adverb can be worked into four types, in four ways, like adverb of manner, it is indicated by how. Adverb of time, it is indicated by where. Adverb of time, it is indicated by when. Adverb of frequency, it is indicated by how often. Now we can take some more examples with the definition of different type of category. Now we can take some more examples individually by the definition of their types of adverb. Fine. Then firstly we will discuss about adverb of time. Then adverb of time provide information about the time of the verb, like now, yesterday, tomorrow, later, yet, already, today, last month, year, soon. Then example we have take, I started school yesterday. Now next month I will buy a house. Then in both sentence adverb of time, adverb shows that time of the adverb. Fine. Yesterday and next month. Next, adverbs of manner: beautifully, happily, peacefully, slowly, quietly, easily, cheerfully, loudly, secretly. That adverb of manner provide information about how a verb is done. Verb, and one more important thing, student, that it comes after the verb or it can be comes before the verb. Fine. In both cases, an action is done by how. Fine. Example, he spoke loudly, they played happily. In both cases, loudly and happily are adverb of manner. Now come on adverb of degree. Adverb of degree describe the level, means intensity of a verb, adjective or another adverb, like quite, almost, barely, very, completely, just, absolutely, fully, hardly. Now in these cases always work done by the level of the verb and adjectives. Fine. I have almost finished my homework. Fine. Then almost means expectation. Fine. Then we can check the level of a verb, that is almost. I completely agree with you. Completely, that is the intensity of the verb and adjectives. Fine. In both cases, almost and completely are adverb of degree. Adverb of place. It tell us where the verb is taking place. Adverb of place tell us where the verb is taking place in many ways, like suppose the cat was playing outside, where the place is outside, that outside is an adverb of the place. She was hiding behind the sofa. Behind the sofa, that is behind, refers to the hiding by the subject. Okay, then some more examples, words we can take by an adverb of place like away, outside, in front, inside, over, under, here, there, upstairs, towards. Find that all words indicates the adverb of place. Now adverbs of frequency. Frequency means how often something occurs. किस तरह से वर्क कैसे किया जाता है. That means these are similar as well as the adverb of manner. Fine. She regularly visits the park. That means how. Regularly. Fine. Daily. I occasionally eat pizza. Then regularly and occasionally are adverb of frequency. Some words we can take like an examples: always, usually, normally, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. These are the examples of adverbs of frequency. It can be divided into two parts. Okay, in two categories it is divided: definite and indefinite. I hope student you will clear all the doubts. Then suppose we will meet again with next video in English grammar with the next topic. Thanks for watching me. Take care. Bye bye.